Hello friends, welcome to Explore YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial, we'll be going to learn about one of the new concept which is being highly used in clerical works, in administrative works, or in college, university dissertation programs as well. So here we'll be going to learn about how to insert or add letterhead on each page by adding it just in the first page, and you get it simultaneously for each and every page the more you add your data in MS Word. So here what we have to do is you have to just follow simple steps, and you can see here I have a lot of data over here right now, only on 3 pages. You can see over here, but I would like to add a letterhead over here. So I have prepared already a letterhead in MS Word and saved it as an image. So I have to add it over here. So let's add it. You have to double click over here in the header. Whosoever is new here, just make sure you just follow these simple steps. Double click on the header, and you can see here the design tab has been activated. And now you have to go to picture, just click over there. It will take you to the destination disk or file where you have saved your letterhead. So here I have saved it in C drive, and click on it and click on insert. The moment you click on insert, you can see here my letterhead is being displayed over here on the first page, but it's still half of the work is being done. So click right and go to size and positions. Over here a new pop-up has come up as a layout. So now you have to go to you have to do nothing over here. Instead of scale, just go over there and increase the height to 100. Same way, once you click on width, it will automatically take the width as 100. Now go to text wrapping, and here we would like to display a letterhead behind the matter being mentioned in the Word file. Click on behind text. Leave rest of the things as it is. Now go to position. Here you can see here in the horizontal we have to click on the first one, alignment, and now click to centered. We would like to display a letterhead in the center of the page, and it should be relative to page. You can use your options depending on the work requirements, but for the time being we'll be using page. Now in the vertical, just click on the alignment and do nothing. Although you can use any of the options over here depending on the work, but right now we're just clicking on OK, and now you can see here a letterhead has been added and properly displaying. Further, you have to go to design tab and click on close header. Friends, you can see here matter which is written in Word document is being displayed above the letterhead. So what we have to do is we have to go to the ruler on the left side and click on the top margin and drag it down underneath the file number. So here we just click on delete button, and here the matter is being mentioned, and for footer it is being already mentioned here in a right way. So once you click on the next pages, you just go through over there, you can see here your matter has been written underneath the letterhead here. So let's click, and now we do enter over here. You can see here I come over here and my matter is being displayed underneath the letterhead. So this way, just by following these simple steps, you can add letterhead to one page, simultaneously add it to another pages depending on the work requirement. I hope you like this video, friends. Please like, share and subscribe. Explore YouTube channel so I can bring up more videos for you. Thank you for watching this video.